In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. Keeping your avatar current makes it easier for teammates to recognize you in comments, assignments, and notifications, and it adds a professional touch to your workspace. First, head to ClickUp. Open the web app in your browser or launch the desktop app, whichever you prefer. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct one so your changes appear where you expect. Once you're in, give the interface a second to load fully so all menu options are available. Next, click on Settings. You'll find it from the main navigation, often accessed from the sidebar or the menu beneath your current avatar or initials. Opening Settings brings you to your personal preferences and account controls, which is exactly where your profile information lives. In the General section, look for your profile area. You'll see your current image or your initials inside a circle. Click that profile image to open your options. From here, you can upload a new avatar or switch to a color-based avatar if you prefer to keep your initials. If you're uploading a photo, choose a clear image from your computer. A square photo works best, ideally at least 512 by 512 pixels, in JPG or PNG format. Good lighting and a centered subject make a big difference. If a crop tool appears, use it to position your image so your face or logo sits nicely within the circular preview. Keep important details away from the edges to avoid them being trimmed. When you confirm, ClickUp saves automatically, and your new avatar will begin updating across tasks, comments, and notifications. If you'd rather keep your initials, select the color option and pick a background color that stands out clearly. A color with strong contrast improves visibility in busy task lists. Matching your brand color can also help your profile pop in shared spaces. As with the photo, the change takes effect right away. Give the app a moment to refresh the visuals. If you don't see the update immediately, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. Then browse to a recent task or comment to make sure your new look appears where you collaborate most. That's all there is to it. Head to ClickUp, open Settings, and in the General section, click your profile to upload a new avatar or choose a color. With just a few clicks, your profile picture is updated and ready to represent you across your workspace.